Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily FX market review for the trading day ending Thursday, September 8th. Firstly to US dollar index futures, and here we see the buyers coming into the market today closing higher than the previous close, so the buyers are showing some keenness, but formation of a small white body again suggests that there's been very little net movement between the open and the close today, and does raise doubt about the potential for the market to continue higher. More important, however, is this larger shadow on the bottom of this candle, which represents the sellers losing commitment down below these previous lows. And the 2 days prior we saw this very strong selling candle, and then formation of an indecisive candle, and did suggest that with that being an extreme day, that large black body day, that the sellers were perhaps just having a bit of a rest. They did attempt to trade the market down through to this 94.29.5 level of support, but they lost commitment in a major way here today, with the buyers closing with control on this this current candle has finished trading. Now this does suggest that even though we have a very small net effect between the open and the close, with that large price rejection from lower levels and the buyers closing with control, it does suggest that there is an opportunity here for the buyers to continue trading higher and test to this resistance level around 95.23. Now this level is likely to be, in this region, is likely to be a major level of resistance, with both the Kijun and the Tenkan-sen trading there, but also with the Ichimoku cloud trading in this region, and they're all trading around this 95.34 region, so very, very strong resistance overhead. If we do see any selling, looking to strong support to come in around the 94.29 area. And to the bands, and here we see the market testing up to the middle of the bands and finding resistance there, but also more importantly support coming in just down to and slightly through the bottom band, and the rejection from there has been quite strong. Now with the buyers in control, there is an opportunity here for the market to trade through that upper band, but we are in the new session just trading down below there, so we do need to watch that middle band at roughly about the 95.07, 95.11 area. It actually trades at 95.10, so just watching that to continue to hold as resistance, but also the lower band at 94.54 to hold as support. Now with the US dollar index futures on the hourly charts, and here we saw a fairly strong selling up until about midway through the session, the market being bearish in all three timeframes by trading below each of the Ichimoku indicators, but finding support in a major way just around that second pivot point support level. The large shadowed candles for 3 hours there did suggest that the sellers were continually losing commitment around that area, and then we saw a much larger white body candle form with the buyers in control, and the market rally through the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen to revert back towards the mean in the longer term time frame at the Ichimoku cloud. At the moment in the new session we are trading below the cloud. The cloud has become quite thick, so the buyers are going to have to be strong to change the trend in that longer term time frame, and we do have the first pivot point resistance level around 95.31 just above the top of the cloud. At the moment we are testing around the Tenkan-sen and the middle of the pivot points at 94.87. If we do break out down below there, Kijun-sen support may come into play, 94.78, and a trade down through there could easily see the first pivot point support level tested at 94.61.62.